Assalamualaikum students, welcome to our YouTube channel Learn Beyond the Sky. Today we will going to start a new lecture series on international relations. I have defined each and everything in my previous lecture according to the syllabus given by FPSC on international relations paper 1, and in that the first chapter is relevant to the introduction, which contains the first topic, that is definition and scope of international relations, and this is this one. So we are going to tell you each and everything about the definition and scope of international relations. I have chalked a complete outline on that topic that includes introduction, definition, ingredients of international relations, a comparative analysis of international politics and international relations, then the scope of international relations, the significance and the solutions. Let's start it. The first one is introduction. The first thing that you really need to know that the term international was first coined by the Jeremy Bentham. He was a scholar. He used that term in 18th century, and he used that regarding laws of nations. When we say the study of international includes analysis of foreign policies or political processes between nations, and international relations also focuses on international trade and civil society interaction. So the first topic is my first domain is completed, and the second is definition of the international relations. So according to INCARTA, international relations is the branch of political science that studies relations between countries of the world. So I have also completed definition. The third one is ingredients of international relation. The first ingredient of international relation is the nature and the principal forces of international organization. The second one includes the psychological, social, pole science, economic aspects of that international organization. And the third one is elements of national power. It is very important, dynamics. And the fourth one is promotion of national interest basis on national power. It is very important also. The fifth one is limitations and control of national power. When we say the limitations and control of national power, it includes the example which is in current domain, that is when China and United States are confronting on the Taiwan issue, that is there are some limitations on that, because there is a complete a competition among two schools of thoughts, that is capitalism and communism. The sixth point is foreign policies of major powers and other states as well. The seventh point is historical ingredients, that is based on the background of that factor or that ingredient. The fourth point is a comparative analysis of international politics and international relations. When we say the first, our stance is that international relations is wider in scope than international politics, and let's going to differentiate or elaborate through the evidence that international politics only focuses on the previous style of politics, like capitalism versus communism, or some sort of other politics like pluralistic politics, hierarchical policies, and these all are included in international politics. When we say that international relations includes relations among people or group of people in global society, as well as states, nations, all these things are included in international relations. So it means the international relations is wider in scope. Let's talk about the scope of international relations. The thing that you really know, that you really need to know, that international relations in historical context, it is the study of diplomatic history. After that, some time it changes its dimension according to international law. And after the creation of League of Nations, it focuses the study of international organization. And after the post Cold War II scenario, two superpowers emerges as a key player that changes the study of international relations, and definitely this study changes the scope of the international relations. It also emphasizes on scientific study as well as military policies. The efforts used to utilize the social sciences techniques that includes psychological aspects. In international relations, many scholars says that it is an independent discipline owing to its studies or focuses about the different aspects, keeping in view different aspects. It also has a descriptive historical approach. When we say that what are the significance of international relations, it is very important because it includes the policies of various states. It also overview the problems facing by the world, as well as it narrow down the use of nationalism because it is a serious threat to humanity. It is also focuses on national interest according to their powers. And in the fifth point, we really need to know that the traditional concept of national sovereignty has changed now. So the concept of that sovereignty means it should be a global sovereignty. And the sixth point is that international relations avoids policy of confrontation. Despite that, instead of that, it promotes peaceful coexistence, policy of cooperation, and universal brotherhood. Okay, the fifth one, the last topic is solution. That means what are the problems of that shared interest? Is there any problem? So what we will going to do that? So we really need to solve that according to the domains. That the first thing that includes in the principle of dominance. It means that this principle deals with the power hierarchy in which collective goods are used to solve the problem. In the second principle, that is principle of reciprocity, it includes the behavioralism of that group or the particular state, and it also promotes punishment of that behavior or that particular behavior. The third policy or the principle is identity, in which community identify their interests according to their areas or different factors like geography or something like that. And after that identification, they started their policies or chalk their policies according to that. So I have completed all the domains in the first topic, that is definition and scope of international relations. So if anyone has any question or query, you may ask in the comment section. And before signing out, I request all of you to like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.